Hello, I'm just showing you a couple of my what I call supercharged holes. Now right here is a bunch of tomato plants, and it's late in the year, I know, but I put them in anyway. But this hole is about 12 by 12 deep, and it's just charged with all kind of good stuff. All the good stuff that I produce. And here it is, some of it. It's cow manure, compost, lots of vermiculite. That's what it is. So this can is almost half full. And I got some other stuff over here. Look at the grapevines that I got growing over here with the rest of these weeds. Look at the size of those leaves. And this is about a year old. And you know what I do is I take cuttings. Supercharged hole with a tomato in it. That's what that is. In case anybody asks. Now over here we got another. See? And that's plants are doing beautiful in that hole. Yep. And I should have some more up in here. Oh, here we are. Just gotta look for the worms on top of the soil. Look at that. I think I got the camera on. Yep. On top. Just laying there. Over here, a couple of pepper plants in pots. Got some trees I gotta pull out of here. And I got my seeds over here. Let me show you something. See how they turn brown? Yeah, I'm ready. And I got some grapevines over here. See how all these are turning brown? Almost. Oh yeah, oh heck, they're already dropping. I gotta get out here this weekend and get them. But a lot of them are still wet. But yeah, a lot of them are still wet. I'm looking at them. But some of them are pretty dry. All right. Oh, look at all those grapes. Go here, take a look. Got some collard greens here. In case I get a little hungry today. Look at these grapes. They're small. Almost ready. And I'm gonna put a sock over them this year so the birds don't eat them up. Oh man, look at these. These are my large ones here. They already, look at the birds are eating them. First time they produced this year. All right, this is the Moon Garden.